Hi, I'm Sophia and I'm a sewing tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trace your pattern and how to customize it to fit your size. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon for notification of future videos. The first measurement to take will be the bust measurement, which is the largest part of your chest. Make sure your tape measure is parallel all the way around. Once you've got that measurement, write it down. Now we're going to measure your waist. This measurement is just under your rib cage. Again, make sure the tape measure is parallel all the way around and note this measurement down. The last measurement is your hips. This is the widest part of your thighs or hips. Again, make sure the tape measure is parallel all the way around. Once you've measured your bust, waist and hips, you will circle your nearest size on the pattern. Get out your large pattern pieces and find the dotted line that correlates to your size. You can go over this with a coloured pen or pencil to make it easier to trace. If you're between sizes, you can trace multiple sizes. For example, if your bust measurement is larger than your waist size, mark where the waist notch is on your pattern in the smaller size. Then mark where the bust notch is on the pattern in your larger size. Join these 2 points together in a gentle curve, making sure you do the majority of the size change in the centre, so we keep the bust and the waist size as we need. You can now trace this pattern piece with your new line. Get some dressmaker's tracing paper and place it over your pattern pieces. Trace each piece carefully, making sure to draw on any marks, lines or notches. Plus, label each pattern piece with the size you traced and which piece that is. Once you've traced your pattern piece out, cut it out carefully. Repeat until all pieces are traced and cut out. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. We'd love to read your comments. And join us for more videos soon.